Hello, my name is Michael Martin, and I'm going to demonstrate for you how to access your Vikeconnect portal. And to do that, the first thing you need to do is go to the Carl Albert State College website, and up here on the center left, at the very top, you'll see Vikeconnect. What you'll do is click on that link. When you come here, you're now at the entry page for the Carl Albert State College Vikeconnect portal. And you'll notice over here on the left-hand side, you have some links. You can get to your online course using Blackboard here. You can submit a support ticket if you're having a technical issue with your software here at Carl Albert. Also, you can get back to the Carl Albert State College homepage, or you can go to your student email account. Also here, it gives you a little idea of some of the things you can do in the portal. You can look at your account in the portal to see how much you owe or do not owe for your courses here at Carl Albert State College. You can also view your financial aid you'll be receiving for the semester. You can also accept and decline loans. So if you take a direct loan out to pay for your college, you'll be able to accept or decline or even reduce the amount of the loan here on the portal. Also, you can add or drop courses in the class as well as check your grades. So the very first thing you need to do before you can even get to the portal is you have to enroll in a class at Carl Albert State College. If you do not enroll in a class at Carl Albert State College, you will not have a Vikeconnect portal account, nor will you have an email. You do not get a student email or a student Vikeconnect portal just for filling out an application. You have to enroll in a class. With that being said, the first thing you'll do when you come to this page, the very first time, is you're going to come to this reset password link. You'll click on that reset password link, and let's move this up a little bit here. And you're going to want to enter the information here that it's requesting, and you want to do it exactly like the example given here. If you don't do it exactly like the example gives you, chances are very good it's not going to work for you. So let's enter our student ID. Let's enter our social security number. We'll enter date of birth. So for date of birth, I'm going to go 01-01-1980. As you can see, every time I enter that information, the space bar says, yes, you entered that data correctly. It doesn't mean that you gave the right ID number or the right social security number or even the correct birth date. It just means you entered that data in the right format. Once you've entered this information, you can come in and change your password. So what we'll do is we'll just change the password here. So we'll just do so I didn't do, the passwords don't match. When the passwords don't match, this isn't going to turn green. So as you notice, I didn't do it right. So I'm going to have to go back and start over. So let's do this. We'll do once they match, and right here it's going to tell you, hey, that was a medium strength password. If you did a really good one, it's going to be a strong. If you did a lousy one or one that can be easily cracked, it's going to say low. Once you've done that, you're going to click the change password button. When you do that, this is important, it's going to tell you exactly what your username is. So you may want to print this out or at least make note. That's going to be your username. That username here is what you're going to use to, move this out of the way, put in here. So remember that username, because you're going to use this for not just the portal, but down the road you're going to be using that for your email, which it gives you what your student email account is right here as well. So like I said, you may want to print this up and remember it. So here I'm just going to copy that. So once I've done that, I should be able to log in now. So I'll go ahead and put my username in there and let's enter my password. Now I've been able to log into the portal. So now that I'm logged into the portal, I have access to view all those things we spoke about earlier. So I'm going to go to the Student tab. Once I click on that Student tab, it's going to take me to this page. If you've had a photo ID taken here at the college, your picture is going to show up here in this corner. When you see this page, and you're going to have to do this every time you log in, you're going to have to acknowledge that you've read and understand this message notification. In this case, it's talking about payment plans and due dates and all that. So once you've read this, you want to acknowledge that you have read that and you understand it. You will come down here, you'll click on that, and now you'll be able to see your account. So this is all the information you're able to view. So you can come here to registration. You can see you can hunt down a course and see what you want to take in these sections here. Find a class to add or drop. You can check your schedule. You can view your grades when they're given. Obviously, you'll not be able to view grades until you've actually completed a class. You can view an unofficial transcript and also check your degree audit. On account info, you can also view your financial aid. You can review how much you owe or do not owe the college, and you can also check your demographic information. Make sure we've got the right we have the right address and phone numbers for you. Which, if we don't, then you can go ahead and contact admissions, and they can correct that information for you. And once again, this is how you access and what you can see when you go to the Carl Albert State College Vikeconnect portal. And that is all for this demonstration. Thank you.